Did you know you can create a smooth, professional text reveal animation in Canva that looks like it was made in After Effects? This is one of the coolest and most underrated text effects I know of. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create this step by step, and once you learn it, you'll be making these all the time. Let's get started. Alright, so I'm in Canva and I want to do something a little different since the Easter holiday season is quickly approaching. I'm going to go to social media and click on that. You can choose any of these that you want. I'm just going to choose YouTube thumbnail because I like the shape and size. And I'll come over here to text and I'll choose add a text box. Next, I'll type this for now. Okay, and I'm going to pull it over. I'll also choose a different font. Yeah, I think I'll choose this one. I'm also going to change the color, something more Eastery. How about a nice blue? Yeah, that'll work. All right, then I'll take this and duplicate it, and I'll put it right on top like that. Now I'll come right up here to Effects and choose Hollow. It's kind of hard to see when they're both the same color, so I'll change this one to make it easier to see the different layers. Yes, that'll work. So we'll just grab these two and center them. The next thing I want is to go to Elements, and I'll search for something like ink or ink in water. I'll choose Videos, and then I'm just going to pick one. Yeah, that's really cool. Let's see if we can find something that has more colors. So you see they come from all different directions. I think I'll try this one. But before I do that, I do think I'm going to change the color of this to something a little more Eastery. There we go. That way it's going to be different from this. So let's go back now. Yeah, let's get this, and I'll put it on there like that and make it fill the page. Cool graphic, right? Let's do something to make it even better. So I'll take this, the video, and I'm going to click on Background Remover. Notice this is a paid Canva feature. So I'll click on Background Remover on that video layer. All right, let's play it again and see what happens. Yeah, it looks fine, but let me show you the trick. Watch this. If you go to Position, come over here to Layers, now let's move this video up in between these text layers. Let's try that again. Now you see the magic. That is so cool. You can see the text color before and then the video color after, and it just changes as the video moves. Also, another thing you can do with this video, if you click on the video, since it's a little long, you can always speed it up too, like this. So now when you play it, it's happening even faster. Nice. All right, and we could do something else too. Come back over here real quick. I'll choose something a little more colorful. Let's scroll down here and find something else. Let's try this one. So I'll get rid of that first video for now and take this one and pull it over here. Now we're going to do the same thing as before. Go to Position and pull it up right in between the text layers. Don't forget the important thing. You see right now it's just showing the white and the outline. We need to go make sure we've clicked on the video, then click Background Remover. Now when you play it, you can see an even better text effect. Is that not cool? So now it's time for you to experiment with this text effect. Have fun playing with this, and happy Easter!
And if you love finding out about crazy cool AI tricks before everyone else, subscribe now so you're the first to know when new AI tools drop. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.